MAC Surjya Rongphar was honored and felicitated for his glorious victory at an event jointly organized by the BJP Borjan Mandal Committee, Bud Committee, Yuva Morcha, Mahila Morcha at Sericulture Farmhouse, Hidipi, Borjan. The event was presided by Sunaram Singnar, President of Borjan Mandal Committee, and the purpose of the event was briefed by Longkathar Ingti, General Secretary, Borjan Mandal Committee. The chief guest of the event was MAC Surjya Rongphar, Longki Timung, ex-EM, Roland Killing, District Vice President BJP Jivan Pathak, Borjan Election in Charge Chris Rongphar, ex-VDC, and several important dignitaries attended the event to grace the occasion. At the event, the polling station with the highest voting turnout were acknowledged and awarded with cash money. The first place was acquired by Upper Lahorijan LP School Left Wing, awarded with 1 lakh. Second place by Rana Basti LP School, awarded with Rs 75,000, and third place by Khatkati High School with the amount of Rs 50,000. Surjya Rongphar assured the people to provide better roads, proper electrification, and ensure all the projects and schemes from the government to be fully implemented, which would benefit them.
Development kam kalau kyongdung milik prang da pubonglo je borjang no make ijunalang kan tuar ke do kerenjam mo do lo tan nona sona be cheng moy asa hala ha tuar mu kha bang arwile jang non ani le sonon bingteng non balo ko chileng kun tuar ke selam ye para make ya ke chengsi milik le claim pon po lalo cicak ating claim pon po lalo la tumi het le tum joint parliamentary meeting dulu main kontrol KMC MLA bangki la KP itu amai dulu sih pas ome husi sama chief minister lang punang dulu speaker on si pardu ham lo kado punta alang dulu je ni purana ma ni kata nang sudah menang do diman ni kecik cakang asokan pradin pen habang so stibet kesema nang kolino MP la cuma perang hai kedang so pentuar misalang kedang so pentuar halah hai tuar bang MP election perang kam cengeng lagi. Kali pun itu MP election untuk pialam tersebut jangan bisa lama.
Lastly, MAC Surjya Rongphar extended his heartfelt gratitude to all the workers of Borjan for entrusting him with the responsibilities to serve the people for the next 5 years.
Borjan arat han lapen itu Mondong Committee hendak masuk Mondong nak bicara untuk isi nerkep morcha do mula morcha pencelo ke morcha do untuk diklaim ke sepadu kalau buat curu pajero ini kompen apa me langsung diklaim kita melong bicara untuk itu district committee penang tu itu vice president Roland Killing do penang Jiwan Chandra Pathak penang Silpi sering orang tu terus dah sepadu dulu lalu lah selampar kami rat parti long gitu kan antan rada tum citudun ninga nang cithe ni tum BJP parti apana ninga cithe dolo la parta ni thanda ninga cithe dolo so jok selang bakso kini so result monglos ke hai damlo le pute da NC ke hai are report ke first time do mane si jok si pena part ke long ke alam dilo ka prek long dong hai po mate NC ke hai so margin man ke highest ke la non lang ke alam dilo. Anant Terang's report from Bakajan and Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.